If I told you that by eliminating just a few foods in 14 days, you could double your energy levels, reduce belly fat, and improve your skin, would you believe it? We're going to eliminate added sugars, dates, and honey for these 14 days. Why? Because these ingredients have a huge impact on your blood sugar, belly fat, and even your hormones. But don't worry, in this video, I'll tell you why this challenge is so important and how you can get the most out of it. Dates are a natural fruit, but a small one contains 16 grams of simple sugar, so it's best to avoid them during these 14 days. Honey is also a natural food with healing properties, but it's still mostly sugar, so we're eliminating it from our diet for now. The goal of this challenge is to cleanse your body of simple sugars and see the real impact of this change. Now, what if you crave sweets? The best alternatives are low-sugar fruits like strawberries and raspberries, which have both fiber and antioxidants. To control cravings, you can use green tea, lemon juice, or even cinnamon in your food to reduce your sugar intake. So, now it's your turn. Do you dare to take this 14-day sugar-free challenge? Decide now and write in the comments, "I'm ready." So what are you waiting for? Start the challenge now and share the results with us. Until the next video, take care of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss new videos. We have a ton of great content about health, nutrition, and fitness on the Nutrition Life channel.